Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Crochet 101, and today we're going to learn how to work a double crochet. You're going to have to start with a foundation chain of 10 chains. So if you're not sure of how to make a slip knot and start this foundation chain, I'll link up the episode right now on screen. After you've done the desired number of chains, you're going to have to chain 2. And we're going to work the double crochet into the third chain from the hook. So this is chain 0. We never count this as a chain. This is the first chain, this is the second one, and this is the third one. First, you're going to have to yarn over, wrap the yarn around the hook, hold it with your finger if it helps you, insert your hook into the third chain. Now it will look like this. You'll have 3 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over, pull through the left loop only, I'm going to yarn over into the left 2 loops only, and now that you have 2 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over into the 2 remaining loops. And this is your first double crochet. Let's do that one more time into the next chain. First, yarn over, hold it with your finger if you need to, into the chain, yarn over, pull through the left loop only, yarn over, and you're going to yarn over and pull through the remaining loops. Let's do that one more time. Yarn over into the chain, yarn over, pull through the left chain only. When you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the left 2 loops. And when you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over into the 2 of them. To start a new row, you're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work, yarn over and into the last double crochet you did in row 1, like this. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over into the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do that one more time. Yarn over into that stitch here under the 2 loops, yarn over into the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. In order to practice, keep repeating row 2 to make as many double crochet rows as you like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next episode.